I'm speaking to you today from the Sarvodaya Institute of Higher Learning in Bandaragama. This center is presently being used as a quarantine center for COVID-19 contacts. As a responsible national movement, we are very pleased that we have been able to let the government take over this facility to look after the COVID-19 contacts as a quarantine center. At this moment, I am very happy to say that despite this being used as a quarantine center, the beautiful land, the flora and fauna, everything is intact. And our dedicated staff are looking after the land and also the property very well. And those of you who have been to this beautiful center, those who have learned something from this center in community development, about environmental regeneration, about biodiversity, you can be very happy that we are still preparing this center for the bigger challenges that lie before us when this COVID-19 challenge is to some extent controlled. We know that COVID-19 will not leave us. COVID-19 will be with us. There is what we call now a new normal. How do we get adjusted to the new normal? How do we create a new world where we can live in harmony with nature? How we can change our own lifestyles? How we can change our own family relationships in a way that we live in harmony with nature? How we live a sustainable lifestyle? How we create a new local economy where we don't have to exploit nature? How we can share with each other? So that's the kind of leadership that we are going to develop from this center. So even though at this moment our staff, no our full-time workers or volunteers unable to physically move until this challenge is over, until the curfew is over, we have to think anew and already start with ourselves the transformation process. So how do we really reflect on our own spiritual life? How can we practice mindfulness? How can we redefine the lifestyles that we have been used to? So I think we can use this time as a time to reflect on ourselves, on our own families, and on our own village communities, rural communities, and country as a whole. So this is the time to practice compassion, to practice sharing, and to prepare for the very, very challenging time that we are going to face in weeks to come, in months to come, many more years to come. Let's work together, particularly those of you who have visited this place and who have received training and who have been inspired, who have come from our villages, our village community leaders, members of our Sarvodaya societies, the leaders of our Sarvodaya Shramadana societies, as well as hundreds and thousands of other workers, other volunteers, other professionals, religious leaders who have come here and who got inspired from the work that we are doing and who have gained knowledge and skills to build a new world. So let's together overcome COVID challenge and we can create a new world order based on sharing and caring and living in harmony with nature.